This is the MSI MPG 341CQPX, and if you've been looking for an ultra-wide gaming monitor, this one might honestly be right up your alley. Actually, scratch that. It probably is. It's a 34-inch display with a resolution of 3440 by 1440, which is the classic ultra-wide sweet spot, big enough to feel dramatic, but still very manageable for both gaming and everyday work. It also comes with a gentle 1800mm curve, nothing too dramatic here, it's just one of those screens that feels like it's wrapping around your face. The curve is subtle, comfortable on the eyes, and generally just makes long sessions feel a bit more natural. And if you happen to run two monitors side by side, the softer curve actually helps a lot. It doesn't fight with your second display the way more aggressive curves sometimes do. You still get the immersion of an ultra-wide without the setup headaches. Now, when it comes to gaming, ultra-wides like this really shine in immersive experiences. Think games like Elite Dangerous, Microsoft Flight Simulator, or really any title where the environment is part of the experience. The extra horizontal space makes worlds feel bigger and more alive. You can absolutely play competitive games on it as well because hey, this is an OLED panel with near instant response times and a refresh rate of 240 Hz. It's incredibly fast. If you mainly play esports titles, a traditional 16:9 monitor like MSI's MAG 271 might still be the more practical choice. Where this monitor really flexes though is the OLED panel itself. That's right, you're getting those signature OLED deep blacks, bright highlights, and a glossy screen that makes colors really pop. Peak brightness goes up to 1000 nits, so HDR content looks fantastic. And with an ultra-wide screen like this, HDR gaming can look especially dramatic. Big landscapes, glowing lights, space scenes, you name it. Color accuracy is strong too, with 99% DCI-P3 coverage, 140% of the sRGB color space, and 90% of Adobe RGB. Connectivity is also very convenient. If you connect the Type-B USB port to your computer, the monitor works as a USB hub. That means you get two USB Type-A ports right on the monitor, plus a USB Type-C port with DisplayPort alternate mode support. On top of that, there's also a 3.5mm audio jack, two HDMI 2.1 ports, and a DisplayPort 1.4 port. And that's pretty much the MSI MPG 341CQPX. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, go ahead and check out the link in the description box below, or simply just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!